Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please like, share and subscribe. Just unboxing my air fryer. Please let's unbox together. So I just got this air fryer today and I wanted to put it to test, put it to a try, and you know the excitement of a new gadget. You want to try it, you want to see how it works. So this is it here. We're just taking it off from the box. It comes with everything, the manual, and this one has two pots or plates or spaces or whatever you call it, where you can actually put in your stuff when you're air frying. So this is it here. This is super nice, guys. It looks so heavy and very durable, and you can see, and these are the trays that comes out from it. Two trays, there is one and there is two, so you can actually use the two all at once, or you can just use one depending on the size of whatever you're preparing. So this is it here. It comes with with a manual and other stuff that you can actually use to prepare yourself a dish, a meal. So you see, you can make some broccoli, chicken, um, bacon, meat, fish, chicken wings, fries, and everything. Like for me, I can absolutely do everything in my air fryer. This is a winner, guys. This can make you forget about your grill, forget about your oven, because you can actually bake as well from here. So I took out the trays and you can see, and I was preparing to have everything washed, like thoroughly washed, and then and put it to try. So I just washed everything and I used my wipes or paper towel to wipe them down and then place them back into the tray. And I already had my meat well seasoned overnight because I was preparing for this so badly. So this was like a cow brisket, and I already seasoned it and everything was all good and ready to go into the air fryer. So the good thing about this, if you see the quantity of oil or fat that came out from this, you can imagine what goes into your stomach when you do this on a in an oven or even like barbecue, because the air fryer actually drains out all the fat from the meat. And then you can see the, like, I wasn't able, like, I didn't actually film the part in the oil when I took it out, but it was quite a lot, like a lot of oil. So sometimes imagine how much oil and fat you're putting into your system, and this can really help if you're being careful of what you put into your system. So these are a lot of other stuff that you can make with the air fryer. Sorry, I didn't really focus the camera very close, but they have many other stuff in the manual that you can actually use to make to prepare in the air fryer. And they also it comes with this manual on how to use it, how, and also how to prepare the stuff. Everything is there. So this was a big win for me, because the previous air fryer I had wasn't really performing as good as I wanted. So you can see how the meat came out so juicy. You can see delicious, not too dry, just well cooked and very nice. So you can see how I cut into pieces. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.